reveal today and I'm so excited. I can't wait to show them to you. And if you see my Instagram, I'm assuming you guys know what it is. And I could not wait to get it. My essay found this bag charm for me and I was so worried I wasn't going to be able to get it. But the most exciting part, you guys, is this bag. I wanted this bag so bad. I made sure he gave me this bag. I just think it is stunning. I've thought about framing this. I think it would be a good idea. So anyways, you guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you my reveal here. I've already opened this and that's why I'm calling it a reveal. Okay, so in this box here, you guys probably already know what it is. I'm so excited. It is the cutest piece. When I picked this up, this lady who rung it up for me, she's like, this is so Asian. I'm like, yeah, it's Chinese New Year. Look at that. Look how cute that little bag charm is. The mouse is holding a little Speedy, you guys. How cute is that? It is a monogram Speedy. I just thought that was so adorable. The eyes are made out of some type of, because it does stick out, so it's made out of some type of stone, not real stone obviously, plastic, but it is just so cute. It is 3D dimensional when you feel all this. And the back of this, I think the back of it is so cute. It is monogram and it looks so pretty when I put it on my bag. I will have to do a bag charm video because I do have a couple of bag charms, or a few bag charms, not a lot, but I thought I showed them to you. They're not all Louis Vuitton, but I thought I'd go ahead and do a video on that. But look how cute, you guys, that is. I love this piece. It says Louis Vuitton here, and on the back here, it is just the cutest piece that I've seen in a long time. That wasn't too expensive, by the way. Okay, my next one. This was also on my Instagram. It is so cute. It's the colors, you guys, that got me. I know I did a wish list on a bandeau that I wanted, but the color on this was just so stunning. You guys, look at this. The colors are just so pretty. It is also the Chinese New Year. It is just so pretty. The mouse here is holding a Neo here, a Speedy here. I mean, it is just adorable. And look at the back. It has the orange, it has flowers on it. It looks so pretty on my bag. It's the color. It's, I don't know what kind of flowers that is. Hibiscus? No, I don't think it's hibiscus. No, yeah, I think it is. Of course, hibiscus doesn't grow out from the ground like that. It's actually a big bush, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'm wrong, but it is such a pretty bandeau. It's got monogram on there, as you can see. I mean, I am loving it, and I'm so excited about this piece. I also got the last year's bandeau, and that's just stunning as well. I'll go ahead and do a video on my bandeau collection if you guys want to see that. It's not a big collection. I think I only have 4. I'm not really sure. But if you guys are interested, let me know, because I am going to be doing that video. And you guys, that is it for my reveal here. I have so been excited using this piece. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on my bag. I know I posted it on Instagram showing you what it looks like on my bag. So let me get my Alma PM in the Dame Azur because it looks amazing with that. So here you go. Look how cute that is. You know what? This would look so cute on my Nano Speedy. Since it's such a cute bag and this charm is so cute, I bet you it'll look so cute with that. I don't have it here upstairs. So, and then let me go ahead and show you how the bandeau looks on my bag as well. Okay, and here we go. Look how cute that is. I'm telling you, the color is what completely drew me to this bandeau. And then to top it off, the mouse was carrying a Speedy and a Neo Noe or Noe, I'm not really sure. And I just thought, nope, this is the bandeau that I wanted, because I know I mentioned one that I wanted on my wish list, but this was way too cute. Let me go ahead and add my bag charm on there as well. Look at that, you guys. I'm assuming that's a little too much. I don't know. Do I care? No. It still looks cute. It doesn't matter to me. It's still just so stunning, and it just adds a lot of color to my Alma PM. As you guys know, Alma PM is one of my favorite bags of Louis Vuitton. It is such a classic, iconic bag. It is just stunning to me. I will have to do another update on this beauty here because I do carry it often. This is one of my to-go bags. I am switching out of it today and have put things into another bag here because I am wearing more of the plain muted color. So let me show you what bag that I am switching into today to brighten up my outfit. So because of what I'm wearing today, I will be switching into this piece. It's not raining anymore, so I don't have to carry my Alma PM, which I carry often already because I love it so much, and because it's all weather leather, it's all weather leather. I don't know, does that make sense? It's not all leather, so it's canvas, but the leather part is definitely treated, so I don't have to worry about it. And now it's a beautiful day, and I will be using this bag today. And let me show you my outfit of the day. Here we go. This is what I will be wearing today with my beautiful Gucci bag. I may put on my Gucci belt just to add a little bit to my outfit because it is plain, and I'm just wearing some holey jeans like I normally do. I have like so many pairs of these. Not the same kind, but jeans with holes, and it's just, this bag just looks so stunning. And let me show you my new shoes that I got. It is just so cute. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just like little booties, and it is just so cute. I got these shoes from a store called Woven, and look how cute that is. I actually got it on sale. It's not an expensive piece, but it is so Deline. It is just so me. And it's regular, I think it's regular 66. Yeah, it's regular 66, you guys. It's right here. And I think I got it for half off. I think I did. So there we go. How cute is that? This is, I usually wear a size 6, but this is a 5.5. Once in a while, I do wear a 5.5 depending on the brand. So you guys, I love these shoes. It makes my outfit look so cute. And this right here just brightens it up. So anyways, you guys, have a wonderful day. It is a Saturday. Happy 2020 and happy Chinese New Year. Bye.